favorite this round, so let's see what happens. Oh! Max did it! Woo! All right, guys. Day 2, heading to the F1 races. We're gonna snag some sick photos today. Didn't take my camera yesterday because I didn't think they would actually let me in. But when I got there, everyone had their camera. So for whatever reason, I don't know why they told everyone you can't bring cameras, because everybody ended up bringing them. We're at the Hard Rock right now, where last night I cracked them pretty good. I was sitting next to Post Malone for a little bit. He cracked them pretty good, and I think he had a concert. And then Post Malone's also gonna be at the Hard Rock Beach Club that we're at today for the F1 races. So let's go. So I definitely feel like somebody should burn this place to the ground. But in all honesty, this compared to Vegas, I like it here a lot better at this Hard Rock in Hollywood, because Fort Lauderdale's lit. I mean, you're right by the beach, you know, a couple miles from the beach. You got somewhere where you can gamble. I like it a lot better in Vegas, because in Vegas, you're kind of in the middle of a desert. And here, there's so much to do. I think they got 2 clubs in here. It's lit. We always come here. And honestly, a lot of celebrities. Just a great time overall. So if you guys are ever in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, parents like gambling, anything like that, definitely come check this place out. Guitars, Johnny Cash's guitar. I mean, that's pretty sick. So much memorabilia here, so many celebrities in here. It's just a different kind of vibe. It gets hot here too in Florida, obviously, but just having that, you know, option to choose where you want to go and what you want to do, it's always a good feeling. This place is pretty dope. I look like I'm in a Vegas vacation. One thing I'm curious about, have you guys had any overheating, you Sony users, with this Sony A7 IV? I recorded a video a couple days ago, honestly, and it started overheating, you know. I'm lucky I brought my ND filter, but even this feels like it's not good enough. I think I'm at F3 right now, and it still feels like it's blown out. But I had a question for you guys. For those of you guys that are using Sony primarily, have you had any issues with any overheating with the Sony A7 IV? Honestly, I've loved this camera for everything. Taking photos, videos, it's been the perfect all-in-one camera for me. I'm using a 20mm right now, f1.8 G lens, and I've got the ECM B1M for the microphone. I feel like I should have I feel like I should have brought my 85mm though. If you guys don't know, I've been looking for a spot down here for like almost a year now. And I told myself, you know what, a year ago I'm gonna pick up a condo. I'll wait a little bit, market to cool off. What happened? Prices went up 40% more than a year ago down here. And they dropped pretty much everywhere else for the past couple of weeks with the interest rate hike. But we'll see, you know, the plan is find a dope spot down here. Maybe just build something back in Michigan when the market cools off a little bit, but it just doesn't seem to give yet. So here we are. Make sure you guys drop a like on this video too. I'm sweating my ass off for you guys out here. Post Malone's stage performance by like 5 minutes, and they wouldn't let me cross. I guess now he's coming down to his van. So here he is. You guys gotta go. You guys gotta go. Guys, this is absolutely insane. It's so loud. I think that was Lewis Hamilton, Patronus. That's my favorite this round. So let's see what happens.
On my mind a lot. Don't need no time to watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Yeah, it's great.
Smidge, what does he do? 28.99. 28.9. First sub, 29.
All right, guys. First qualifier's over. It is so hot out here. I came down to the beach because they got some umbrellas here. I can chill. It's pretty lit down here, honestly. I think Porsche is running up next with their races that they got going on. Hamilton came in 6th, I believe, for the qualifier, so that's where he's going to start tomorrow. I think Max at Ferrari came in 1st and 2nd, so curious to see. Max has been really good this year, but I got to root for Hamilton. That's my boy. That guy's absolute legend, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. Let's take a break here for a second. Post Malone, as you guys saw, already took off. I think we got Zed coming up next, so it's pretty lit. I mean, the party's crazy over here. I might actually go ahead and jump in the pool, so I'm gonna put my camera away for a little bit, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. So Porsche's kicking off right now. Lead car just passed, as you guys saw. Post Malone's done. You guys saw him pass a little bit ago. Oh my God, that sounds so good. Looks like he's in 1st place by a lot. So we'll see. Woo, views.
Tire rub. Yeah. From that touch.
Yeah, that contact. In fact, I think he may be dropping some fluid.
Yeah, that's exactly.
Alrighty, guys, Second day, success. Today I had a lot of fun. Zed, some of Post Malone. Lewis coming in 6th, so we'll see how he does tomorrow. Max, all these guys. I think I'm gonna grab some food because I'm absolutely starving. I'm lost, I don't even know where I'm at. Interesting. We'll figure it out. Oh, by the way, I had some crazy shit happen to me. As I was leaving, I was thirsty, so I went to grab a water. This beautiful blonde-eyed girl was working behind the counter, and she goes, well, I asked her, I was like, can I get a water? She goes, sorry, we're closed, honey, but if you give me your number, I can give you one on the house. So I was like, yeah, that would never happen in Michigan at all. So I snagged her number, probably invite her out to dinner later tonight, something, but got a free water. We snagged an Uber, we gotta go to a different lot and walk like 2 miles, which I'm fine with, but got a pregnant woman with us, so that's not gonna happen. But overall, guys, successful second day. Tomorrow we got the race, so we'll pick up probably off there or probably in the morning, because I don't feel like grabbing my camera going to steakhouse with it tonight or wherever else we're gonna go. Look, oh God, sugar daddy buying it up. All right, guys, that's enough for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
My phone's been going off for an hour now. You guys explain to me how you get a hangover without drinking? I'm still trying to figure it out. This is probably one of the craziest weekends I've ever had, and probably one of the craziest events Miami's ever thrown. Let's go to the pool.
Day 3, it is absolutely packed out here, and it's like 400 degrees. Tiesto's on stage in 10 minutes. Woo, boys, let's go. Alright guys, 15 minutes away from the race starting. 15 minutes until the race starts.
2 lanes. Are you ready, Miami? We're green! Away we go! Leclerc, a good start from the outside.
To the floor, to the couch. Might wake the neighbors up. Break you in, then break you out. In the end, we gon' make a child. Then we gon' hit the show. Part 2, we don't need no pause. You missed me, we gon' get tipsy. Don't need a power shot.
Alrighty guys, Logan Paul just fed me an oyster. This is insane. They're actually right behind me. They're up in the booth up here. This is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane.
Got my heart no in the bed. Break you in, then
30th lap, and Verstappen's in 1st. Boy, Hamilton's in 7th. It's not looking good. Max is killing it though.
It wasn't nearly as bad as it could have been.
Absolutely right.
And out in the pits. Yep, he dropped the hammer. You normally do it when you're at the apex, so somebody else can't just go with you. And he...
Max did it.
Mercedes until late in the going.
Max did it, guys. First place. Damn, man. Woo! That was amazing. Alrighty guys, race is over. Max won it. Chainsmokers absolutely tore it up. Party with Logan Paul Mike. Sickest experience I've had in a long time. I think that's gonna wrap it up for this vlog. Make sure you guys smash that like button for me, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Even good love feels like drugs. Even good nights get you high. Little bit wild, but it's alright. Even bright lights got a dark side. Even good love feels like drugs. Even good times get you high. drugs.